Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best kimchi kit is probably one of the most convenient ways to make this delicious and healthy Korean staple at home, allowing you to control the ingredients and fermentation process while enjoying a fun and rewarding culinary experience. And this video will guide you through everything you need to know about selecting and using a kimchi making kit to produce your own batch of kimchi, from choosing the right kit to mastering the fermentation process. Number 5. Nongshim Taekyung Gochugaru. Get ready to experience the vibrant taste of Korea with Nongshim Taekyung Gochugaru, the authentic Korean chili flakes. It's perfect for kimchi and countless other dishes. This coarse gochugaru is the key to making delicious kimchi. Its rich flavor and texture will elevate your kimchi making to the next level. But it's not just for kimchi. Use it to spice up stir-fries, barbecue, and so many other Korean and Asian dishes. The possibilities are endless. Made with 100% red chili pepper flakes, it's MSG-free, vegan, and gluten-free. It's a healthy and flavorful addition to any meal. The peppers are cultivated on Taekyung's farm in China using Korean seeds, then processed in their GMP ISO certified factory in South Korea. It's a premium product made with care. Taekyung is one of Korea's oldest condiment brands, and this gochugaru is their most iconic spice. It's enjoyed by millions worldwide, and now you can enjoy it too. What we like? If you're looking for an authentic Korean chili powder with no additives, this is it. It's made with 100% red pepper flakes and has a great spicy flavor. If you value purity and authentic Korean taste in your kimchi, you should definitely consider this option. What people say? It's not really a powder like the bottle says, but it's more finely ground than the typical red pepper flakes you'd find at Italian restaurants or in the grocery store. It has a good pepper flavor that goes well with everything I've tried it on. The more you add, the spicier it will be. Number 4. Masontops Complete Fermentation Kit. Transform your mason jars into fermentation powerhouses. This kit provides everything you need to easily create delicious and healthy fermented foods at home. It includes 4 airlock lids, 4 fermentation weights, and a handy vegetable tamper. Plus, you'll get a bonus recipe book to get you started. Make sauerkraut, kimchi, pickles, and more. It's perfect for fermenting vegetables in brine or dry salting them. Simply fill your jars, add weights and lids, and let it ferment. The airlocks release gas without letting oxygen in, so there's no need for burping. With Masontops, making your own probiotic-rich foods is fun and easy. Enjoy the delicious results and boost your gut health. Trust the Masontops name for quality and ease of use. Our step-by-step instructions will guide you every step of the way. What we like? This kit has everything you need to start fermenting. It includes jars, weights, and airlocks, making the process simple and easy. If you are a beginner and want a convenient and easy-to-use fermentation kit, this is the one for you. What people say? Almost everything you need to get started is here. For very simple to clean, simple to use airlocks, for weights to place in the tops of your fermentation jars to keep your veggies from floating up to the top, and significantly, a great wooden tamp of sorts to push things like cabbage into the bottom of the jar. The kit is a hint on the expensive side, but the quality of the wooden tamper, the silicone vents, and the weights seem good to me. This kit made an easy process even easier. I highly recommend it. Number 3. Premium Kimchi Container. Introducing the Premium Kimchi Container, your new essential kitchen companion for making delicious kimchi and sauerkraut. It's easy to use and perfect for fermenting your favorite probiotic-rich foods. This container makes fermenting a breeze. Simply add your ingredients, seal the lid, and let it do its work. It's that simple. It's designed for your safety and convenience. It's food safe, dishwasher safe, freezer safe, and even microwave safe. This isn't just for kimchi and sauerkraut. It's also great for storing dry goods like grains, beans, flours, and pasta, keeping them fresh and organized. It beautifully blends modern technology with the time-honored tradition of Korean earthenware. Enjoy the best of both worlds. Made with high-quality materials, it's built to last. Experience the difference that quality makes. What we like? It's simple to use and safe for various foods, from kimchi to grains. If you need a versatile and easy-to-clean container for your fermentation needs, this is a great choice. It's also great for storing other dry goods, making it a multi-purpose kitchen item. What people say. 6.4L container. 5 pounds of prepared red cabbage. The container is well made and easy to operate. Easy to use, durable, and keeps product clean from outside sources of contamination. Simply made but functional. Helpful for making sauerkraut, pickles, and fermented vegetables. Works quickly with low to no odor. Make sure the lid is installed properly after you fill it, or the lid won't fit right and it won't work correctly. Number 2. JILLMO Fermentation Kit. This kit has everything you need to start fermenting your favorite foods. It includes 2 jars, weights, airlocks, and more. Get 2 complete fermentation sets for the price of 1. You'll receive all the necessary components to begin fermenting right away. It's made from lead-free, thick glass, ensuring safe and reliable fermentation. Just remember to sterilize it with warm water below 40 degrees Celsius. The jar's wide mouth and neck allow for easy access, making it simple to add ingredients and clean thoroughly. With its airtight seal, it keeps your fermented foods fresh and prevents unwanted bacteria. Perfect for sauerkraut, wine, and more. Setup is a breeze, and it's even dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. Enjoy the simple process of fermentation. What we like. Get 2 fermentation jars in 1 kit. The airtight seal ensures optimal fermentation, and the wide mouth makes cleaning a breeze. If you want a convenient and affordable option with multiple jars, this is a great value. What people say. The JILLMO Fermentation Jar, 2-liter fermentation kit with fermenting weights and airlocks, is a comprehensive and efficient solution for fermenting homemade foods with ease. This kit includes all necessary components for successful fermentation: a durable glass jar, fermenting weights, and airlocks. High quality, heavy glass, and lid much like the Fido jar's picklet used to sell with the drilled hole in the glass lid. Even better, the gasket is silicone instead of rubber that can dry out over time, with an attached plug, and a spare in case you lose it. Lid fits snugly so no air seems to be able to get in like some jars this style does. Wide mouth will mail for easy cleaning. Has plenty of space for larger batches. Number 1. HomeBuddy Fermentation Crock. This beautiful and functional crock is perfect for all your fermentation needs. It's made from high-quality, food-grade ceramic, ensuring your creations are safe and delicious. It's incredibly durable and won't absorb any unwanted odors or flavors. Use it for sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, or anything you can imagine. The airtight seal allows gases to escape while keeping outside air out. This creates the perfect anaerobic environment for successful fermentation every time. Unlike other kitchen tools, you'll be proud to display it. Its elegant design complements any kitchen style. With its balanced weight and comfortable handles, it's easy to lift, move, and clean. Enjoy the fermentation process without the struggle. We've included a handy acacia wood pounder for easy crushing and a recipe book to inspire your culinary adventures. Start fermenting today. What we like. This beautiful and functional ceramic crock provides an airtight seal for perfect fermentation, and it comes with a recipe book and pounder. If you appreciate quality craftsmanship and want to elevate your fermentation game, this is the premium choice. What people say. It's ceramic and heavy duty. Perfect for your kitchen counter too. Easily holds 2 heads of shredded cabbage. What I like the most is that it comes with all the essentials needed for people who are just starting up their fermenting journey. Since purchasing, I've made several batches of sauerkraut, kimchi, and pickled chutneys. Good depth for large quantities. Good size opening to easily load cabbage for sauerkraut. Nice ceramic weights and easy visibility to check water lock. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.